Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Those are new to my channel, I make videos that help my viewers become better in their life and career. Also, I share experiences from other experts in the fields of entrepreneurship, CEOs, and etc. Please subscribe to my channel as we have amazing content coming in this channel. As you already know by the thumbnail, we're going to talk about your lifelong companion, which is you. Do you know about the voice within? The person guiding you from within, your gut feeling. Did you know what they are? They are your inner thoughts, the ones that drive you to be your better self. Considering that you have your inner voice guiding you, when you're faced with a task, give it everything you've got because the amount of effort you put towards yourself defines how much you value yourself. Trust yourself. Believe in yourself. Did you know something? That the will is what differentiates you from everyone else. The stronger your will, the taller you rise above yourself. The stronger your will, the more chances you have in achieving your dreams. Did you know that you can go 21 days without food or 3 days without water? Just imagine if you aren't able to breathe for 1 or 2 minutes. When it comes to success, you must want it as much as you want to catch a breath. If succeeding was easy, then everyone would be successful. Success comes to those who take the leap of faith and break all barriers that come their way. Each individual in this planet is gifted with something without discrimination. That gift is time, the most powerful tool to ever exist in the hand of an individual. However, it comes with a cost. It can only be used once. If you are able to conquer time, you are invincible. You transform into someone with the motive to become successful on the path to shock the whole world. Put in your best efforts without worrying about the result. Now, when and where should I begin? What do I need to start this journey? Well, the good news is that the answer to all these questions lie within you, just waiting to be discovered. I don't want you to limit your belief because when you do that, you're halting yourself from reaching the next level. Explore the life inside you. Winners never make excuses and they stay consistent. Most successful people that I've researched about had similar characteristics. The one characteristic that stood out of everything else was they followed a single routine. They don't have a minute to spare from their schedule. They are very strict. So build a routine for yourself. Don't spend your time on something that you know that it will not help you. If you want to grow, you have to move out of your comfort zone. What I want you to do right now is just sit down for a minute. Close your eyes, relax your mind and body. Think about what you have created so far for the past years you have lived in. See how much you have made till now. Now, think what if you are able to multiply those happy moments in your life. Lift your life with your strength because you have to do it for yourself. No one else will. At the end of the day, you are the survivor of your greatest weakness. The hurt, the pain, the betrayal, the feeling that you get when you wake up. And you are inundated with so much responsibility that paralyzes you. But there's always a switch inside of every one of us. At any moment in your life, you can turn that switch from surviving to winning. Because as far as I know, there are only two kinds of people in this world. One are survivors and another winners. If you switch to winning, then you've already taken a step ahead towards the winning side. Because you're ready to grow stronger even when you're mostly broken. So today, let's start with something that every single one of you can do. Don't worry, it's really simple. All I ask you to do is to exercise. I say exercise because if we do it every day, we start building a routine in our everyday life. Now, exercise is all about creating that momentum. A momentum that causes your body and your mind to fall into harmony. That physical push. Walking for 2 or 3 kilometers with your friends or with your dog. Because when you physically move, you psychologically change. That will change your brain. Before we end the conversation to growth, I would like to finish it with a quote. Knowing others is wisdom. Knowing yourself is enlightenment, said Lao Tzu. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for listening till the end. If you have any specific content for me to talk about, please leave it down below. I would love to help you all. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Akshay Sanjeevi signing off.